Welcome back to the Billionaire Luxe Room. Have you ever wondered what it's like to live like a billionaire? From bespoke morning routines to jet-setting around the globe and ending the night at the most exclusive clubs, today we're taking you on a journey through a day in the life of a billionaire. Get ready to dive into a world of luxury, elegance, and opulence, where no desire is too grand and no experience is out of reach. And before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to join our community of luxury enthusiasts. Stay updated on the finest things life has to offer. Imagine starting your day in a mansion overlooking the ocean, followed by a quick workout with your personal trainer, a breakfast prepared by a private chef, and then flying off on your private jet for a business meeting in another city, all before lunch. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a daily reality for the world's elite. So, let's explore a day in the life of a billionaire, from sunrise to sunset and beyond. Our day begins at 6 a.m. sharp in a stunning beachfront mansion. The billionaire wakes up to the sound of waves gently crashing against the shore, thanks to a custom-built sound system that mimics natural sounds. This isn't just any morning alarm, it's a carefully curated experience designed to start the day with tranquility and focus. After a few moments of mindfulness and meditation, guided by an app specifically designed for high achievers, it's time to move on to the morning workout. In the private gym, equipped with the latest high-tech fitness gadgets and overlooking a beautiful ocean view, the billionaire is joined by their personal trainer. The workout routine is tailored to the billionaire's personal goals and includes a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Every session is designed to optimize performance, maintain peak physical condition, and start the day with high energy. And of course, the workout concludes with a refreshing dip in the infinity pool, perfectly positioned to offer breathtaking views of the sunrise. After the workout, it's time for a rejuvenating dip in the infinity pool, which seamlessly blends into the ocean view, creating a sense of endless luxury. This is followed by a quick session in the sauna and steam room, a must-have in any billionaire's home, to relax the muscles and prepare for the day ahead. Now, it's time for breakfast, and we're not talking about cereal and milk. The billionaire's breakfast is a gourmet affair, prepared by a private chef who knows their preferences down to the last detail. This morning, it's a perfectly balanced meal. Think avocado toast with truffle oil, a fresh fruit smoothie with ingredients flown in from across the globe, and a selection of organic, farm-to-table delicacies. Everything is designed to provide maximum nutrition, energy, and pleasure. Breakfast is served in an open-air dining room with stunning views of the ocean or city skyline, depending on the billionaire's location. As they enjoy their meal, the billionaire reviews the day's schedule with their personal assistant, who manages everything from business meetings to social engagements, ensuring that every moment of the day is optimized for success. After breakfast, it's time to tackle the day's business. The billionaire heads to their home office, equipped with the latest in smart technology, including AI-driven assistants, holographic displays for video conferencing, and a customized ergonomic workspace designed to enhance productivity and creativity. Whether it's managing a multinational corporation, negotiating a high-stakes deal, or brainstorming the next big idea, every tool is at their disposal to make decisions that move the world. But it's not all work and no play. Mid-morning is reserved for some leisure, perhaps a quick helicopter ride to a private golf course for a round of golf with a fellow billionaire, or yacht cruise along the coast to clear the mind and enjoy the finer things in life. As afternoon rolls in, it's time to jet off for a business meeting in another city, or even in another country. And when you're a billionaire, travel takes on a whole new meaning. The private jet is more than just a means of transportation, it's a flying office and relaxation space, complete with plush leather seats, gourmet catering, and high-speed Wi-Fi to stay connected at all times. During the flight, the billionaire might catch up on some emails, hold a virtual meeting, or simply relax and enjoy a glass of vintage champagne. Upon arrival, the business meeting is held in an exclusive setting, a penthouse suite, a private boardroom, or even on a yacht. The discussions are intense, the stakes are high, and the decisions made here can have global implications. The billionaire navigates these waters with ease, drawing on years of experience and a network of elite contacts. After the meeting, it's time for some relaxation. This could mean a visit to a world-renowned spa for a customized treatment that uses rare ingredients sourced from around the world, or perhaps a quick shopping spree at an exclusive boutique where doors are opened after hours just for them. As the sun sets, the evening entertainment begins. Dinner is an experience in itself, either a private dining event hosted by a Michelin-starred chef at home, or a reservation at an exclusive restaurant that offers not just a meal, but a culinary journey. The menu is personalized to perfection, featuring rare ingredients, expert wine pairings, and impeccable service. After dinner, the night is still young and the city awaits. Whether it's attending a high-profile charity gala where millions are raised in a single night, or heading to a private club that offers the finest in entertainment and exclusivity, the billionaire knows how to make the most of every moment. Surrounded by fellow elites, the night is filled with laughter, music, and the best company. And for those who want to keep the night going, there's always an after-party at a penthouse suite or on a mega yacht where the views are breathtaking and the guest list is as exclusive as it gets. The night ends on a high note, with the billionaire returning home or to a luxury suite, ready to do it all over the next day. There you have it, a day in the life of a billionaire. From luxurious morning routines to high-stakes business meetings and exclusive nightlife, this is a lifestyle that combines ambition, luxury, and endless possibilities. Which part of the day would you most like to experience? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, living like a billionaire isn't just about wealth, it's about maximizing every moment and savoring every experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Billionaire Luxe Room for more insights into the world of luxury. Click on the latest video now to continue your journey into opulence.
Give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world you'll see.